Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with Tam and Tram.
Today we are making Vietnamese braised pork belly with quail eggs, also known as Thịt Kho Trứng. This dish is flavorful, savory, and comforting. And surprisingly, it's easy to make at home. So y'all, let's get right to cooking.
To start, let's chop our pork belly into bite-sized pieces and then parboil the pork for 5 minutes or until you see foams forming. And then drain it out and wash and rinse it under running cold water. Now, let's get to cooking. So heat up 3 tablespoons of oil in a pot on medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and stir it around until it caramelizes to a beautiful dark amber color. And then add in the pork and quickly stir them to brown them off. Next, add in our aromatics consisting of minced garlic and minced shallot and mix this with the pork. Now, season the pot with 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, and stir this around to coat the meat evenly, and then add in a can of coconut soda, which will help tenderize the meat, 3 to 4 slices of ginger, and half a can of pineapple chunks with some pineapple juice, and also half teaspoon of MSG, which is optional. At this point, skim off any impurities that may float to the surface and bring this pot to a boil and lower the heat and cover it and let it braise and simmer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, open a can of quail eggs and wash and rinse the eggs and add it to the pot. Stir around to make sure all the eggs are submerged in the sauce. Increase the heat to medium and continue cooking without the lid for another 20 to 30 minutes. The eggs will cook slowly in the sauce, absorbing all the flavors and adding a creamy richness. It's smelling so heavenly right now, y'all. As the dish simmers away, the aromas will fill your kitchen and you'll start to get hungry just thinking about it. After 20 to 30 minutes, once the sauce has reduced and thickened to a nice consistency and the pork is fork tender, turn off the heat and you're now ready to serve this over steamed rice and garnish it with some chopped green onions, Thai chilies, and freshly cracked black pepper. And friends, here is the final product, Vietnamese pork belly with eggs. We hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe and thank you for watching. Bye-bye!